A perfect lunch recipe, quick dinner, healthy treat and full of greens. This is an all-rounder. Let's make Hariyali Pulao or green rice. I have here water on the boil. To this I am adding 2 bunches of spinach leaves. Let the leaves boil for 2 minutes. Time to take the spinach leaves off the flame. I am immediately transferring the leaves into ice cold water. This 2-minute ice water bath will help retain the vibrant green color of the spinach leaves. Let's strain the leaves now. Time to make the green paste for the rice. In a grinder, I am taking the blanched spinach leaves, 1 cup of coriander leaves, half a cup of mint leaves, and 2 green chillies. Let's grind. The green paste for the pulao is ready. Next, in a kadhai on heat, I am taking 1 tablespoon of ghee. In the heated ghee, I am adding 8 to 9 cashew nuts. Fry them for 15 seconds until slightly golden brown. Take them out. Next, 3 bay leaves, 3 green cardamom pods, 2 cloves, a small piece of cinnamon stick, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let the whole spices roast for 7 to 8 seconds. Next, add in 1 onion chopped. Saute the onions for a couple of minutes. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Next, add in 1 green capsicum chopped. Saute for a minute. Now add the green paste we prepared. Mix this. Now add half a cup of boiled green peas, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, salt as per taste. I am adding 2 teaspoons. Bring everything together. Add back the fried cashews and mix in. Add around 4 tablespoons of water. Mix in and close the lid. Let the green base for the pulao cook for 30 seconds. Let's check. The green base for the pulao is ready. Time to add the rice. This is almost 1.5 cups of basmati rice soaked and cooked. Mix this. Cover with a lid and let it cook for 30 seconds. Now, to infuse the rice with a smoky flavor, I have taken a piece of charcoal in a bowl. I am adding a spoon of ghee. Cover back with the lid and we will let the rice smoke for a couple of minutes. Let's remove the bowl and the lid now. Hariyali Pulao is ready. Enjoy with some raita on the sides and a healthy meal is sorted. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.